Bienvenue à tous.
Welcome everybody to the Photocall for the film entitled Portrait of a Lady on Fire. It's competing for the Golden Palm. It's in competition, directed by Céline SCIAMMA. It's her first time in competition. She's a French film director.
Elle est là avec son magnifique
She's here with her wonderful cast.
Il l'a accompagnée hier notamment pour la
They were
projection
all on the red carpet yesterday for the official screening of her film. It was screened in the afternoon and the reaction was extremely positive at the end of the screening. Here we can see Valeria Golino, who is an Italian actress and director. She's already directed 3 of her own films. She's a regular here. We've got Adèle HAENEL standing next to Valeria, and we can remember 120 beats per minute in which Adèle HAENEL played by Robin Compilo. In the middle, we've got the director, Céline SCIAMMA, and then the person who's just turned around with a very short haircut, that's Noémie MERLANT, a young French actress who has started to confirm the strength and the finesse of her talent. She's got quite a good track record now. And alongside her, Luana BAJRAMI, a young actress.
Pour ce film historique.
And they're here for a period piece, a costume drama.
Le premier pour Céline SCIAMMA.
The first time Céline SCIAMMA has worked on a costume drama. It talks about the kindling of desire and love between a woman painter and her model in an isolated corner of Brittany. The direction work is absolutely brilliant, such control, such mastery, illustrating the birth of desire, which kindles and flames afterwards. And the title is Portrait of a Lady on Fire. Céline SCIAMMA has been to Cannes before. She came for the Un Certain Regard section with her film Water Lilies in 2007, and that starred Adèle HAENEL also. She opened the director's fortnight with Girlhood in 2014, and she was also at the director's fortnight as a screenwriter for My Life as Zucchini. But here she is this time in Cannes, in competition with her feature film entitled Portrait of a Lady on Fire. So she really did, I'm not going to say send the house up in flames last night, but it was a very warm reaction to the screening of her film. Céline SCIAMMA is a politically active filmmaker, and she works with the 50-50 group, which is striving to get equality between men and women throughout the film industry. It's called 50-50. So here we have on our screen Valeria Golino. She's a filmmaker in her own right, but here she's, as an actress, she's a wonderful actress too, Italian actress, and a very thrilling film director as well. She came to Cannes in the Un Certain Regard section with her film Euphoria, and as a film director she also came with the film Honey in 2013, and she has acted in a film which was screened here in 2007.
Valeria Golino avec 3 sœurs de Margarethe von Trotta.
It was called Il Sole Nere. And she's been here many times. She was a member of the jury in 2016 when Georges Miller was at the head of the jury, and they gave their Golden Palm to Ken Loach for I, Daniel Blake. Quite recently, she was in a Bernard Jacot film here in France. She's got a very rich filmography, an international filmography. She's worked in French, Italian, and English. Now on your screen, we have Noémie MERLANT, who we are seeing for the first time in Cannes this year, in competition.
de se faire un magnifique parcours par son talent.
She's developing quite a good career for herself. She's a very talented young actress.
À la fois intense et subtil.
She's very intense but subtle at the same time in the way she acts.
De création, de proposition, maîtrise.
Perfect mastery of feelings on the stage and a wonderful way of expressing feelings in her eyes. She plays the role of the painter who secretly has to paint a portrait of a woman who is forced to marry in an arranged marriage. That future bride is played by Adèle HAENEL. But something happens between the painter and the subject. And it is magnificently acted by Noémie MERLANT. We saw her in the Paper Flags by Nathan Ambrosioni, in Curiosa also. And she plays the artist's model in that play for a photographer. She has often worked in France. She was in Dieu merci by Lucien Jean-Baptiste.
Les comédiennes qui se présentent chacune leur tour devant les photographes.
The actresses from the film are taking it in turn to be in front of the cameras. Here we have Luana BAJRAMI.
Que l'on a pu voir dans notamment l'heure de la sortie.
She was in Schools Out by Sébastien Marnier.
Elle sera à l'affiche de Fête de famille de Céline SCIAMMA.
And she will be in the Fête de famille film, which is soon to be released.
Elle avait figuré à l'affiche d'un film présenté dans le cadre de la Ciné-Fondation Deux égarés sont morts de Tommaso Usberti.
One film by Tommaso Usberti, which was in the Ciné-Foundation selection. And she was in Marion 13 ans pour toujours, a French film.
En 2011, dans
she began in 2011 in a film called Le Choix d'Adèle. That was the kick-off to her career. Luana BAJRAMI
le film se passe au 18e.
Plays a role in this film of a maid. She's the maid of this house in 1770. She's the maid of the young woman played by Adèle HAENEL. And it's great to see Adèle HAENEL back in Cannes.
Je vais vous parler de la singularité de Noémie MERLANT, pareil pour Adèle HAENEL.
Adèle is a very unique type of actress as well, an amazing actress.
Toujours avec des compositions marquantes.
She really gets into her role. She's currently starring in several films in competition or in Cannes. She's in the Sciamma film, of course. She's also in Heroes Don't Die in the Critics' Week. And she's also in the film Deer Skin, which is also being screened here in Cannes. She got the César for the Best Supporting Actress here in France.
De Thomas Caillet, c'était en 2015. Depuis, on l'a retrouvée
and then she has been in Cannes in the past in competition with the Unknown Girl by the Dardenne brothers and 120 Beats per Minute by Robin Campillo, and Almodovar's jury gave them a special prize for that film. Adèle HAENEL was brought to our attention on the big screen in the film Water Lilies, also directed by Céline SCIAMMA. And she's back working with Céline SCIAMMA in this film, Portrait of a Lady on Fire. So here we have the two main actresses from the film. They act out a love story. And the 28 written on Adèle HAENEL's wrist means something very special in the film. This is a film which really does focus on details.
Il y a finalement très peu de rôles masculins.
There are very few male roles in the film.
C'est très très beau ce qui joue entre ces
and it's really lovely to see the interaction between these two main characters, these two actresses. Love stories aren't always very convincing on the big screen, but this love story really is. It works perfectly.
Un film qui mêle à la fois
This film
reconstitution historique,
is a historical
ambiance de
piece,
film en costume,
a
beauté des
costume
images, de la
piece,
lumière, du
beautiful
cadrage,
images,
de la
the
mise en scène,
lighting, the
une
framing is great. It's a great sensuality which gradually transpires and heats up every shot.
grâce à la présence incandescente de ces
Thanks to the burning presence of those two actresses, Noémie MERLANT and Adèle HAENEL.
Valeria Golino.
Now we have Valeria Golino coming back with Luana BAJRAMI. Valeria plays the role in this film of the mother of Adèle HAENEL. And she wants to marry her daughter off to a guy from Milan. Luana BAJRAMI works for Valeria Golino. There are some wonderful and amazing scenes in the film that have never been seen before on the big screen. There's one scene with Luana BAJRAMI. I'm not going to really tell you about it, don't want to spoil it, but it really is quite unusual, quite strong. It's Céline SCIAMMA is describing a very feminine universe. But we don't mind the men not being there. We don't feel that they should be there. It's complete in its own right. It's a fascinating story. And there's the mother, played by Valeria Golino, who wants to have a portrait of her daughter painted in order to give it to the future husband as a gift, to convince him to go ahead with the marriage. We're in the 18th century here in this film. But each of the characters has their own motivations.
Voilà donc pour ce photocall.
So here we are at the photocall for Portrait of a Lady on Fire.
Jeune fille en feu, Adèle HAENEL, avec en discussion avec Assad, son attaché de presse.
Talking to her press attaché.
Voilà. Voilà l'équipe qui va se dérouler maintenant, qui va se diriger vers la conférence de presse. On va les laisser tranquillement
we'll leave them go forward under the sunshine here in Cannes. And let's take a look at Brittany from the film directed by Céline SCIAMMA, Portrait of a Lady on Fire. Meanwhile, the team is heading...